Okay, so good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back with my Gangster Trades live stream. So basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna analyze the gold today. Uh, Hopefully, we find some good setups. So let's see how that goes. Well, I will go with the 4-hour time frame. Let's go actually on the weekly. Let's see what's going on. Weekly is still, the hyper bullish. Weekly is still a hyper bullish type. Weekly is still, a very good bullish momentum carrying on. While daily also have that, closer position on the supportive. It's kind of supportish. And we're gonna go on the 4-hour. Yeah, the 4-hour as well as on consolidation mode. It is on the consolidated. It's not bullish, neither bearish. It's just consolidating right here. Let's go on 1 hour, and it's closing supportive. I think that if that candle closes support, if that candle creates a support, then definitely Alaikum Salam. I'm doing great, brother. How about you? How about you? If that 1 hour candle closes bullish, then definitely we're gonna see for the buys, or I'm gonna buy from here. Yeah, we have a good support created here. We have a very good support created here, bro. Alright, I'm gonna take a buy. I'm in this trade. I am in this trade right now. My stop loss is just below this candle, and my take profit is right here. Let me see. It's almost like 100 pip, but stop loss is very big. A stop loss is fucking crazy, but we're gonna see. We're gonna move the stop loss, or we're gonna manage the risk if this candle came back down. Yeah, stop loss is crazy, bro. Yeah, let's see how that goes. No, 30 minutes. No, let me tell you the bias here. All right, let me tell you the bias. So we were on the weekly. Weekly is pretty much bullish, right? So listen this very carefully. The weekly is pretty bullish, okay, and the daily is also very bullish. Either also closed on the support. It closed the support, and also 4-hour is rejecting this area and it's bullish. We cannot say it's bearish because of the candle. Okay, the 1 hour is also bullish. It can continue pushing up. It rejected this area, it's rejecting this support, 51.83. It's bullish. It's closed on the bullish side, and also on 30 minute we got a support created. All right, this is why I took the trade very fast. This is why I took the trade very fast. We close the support here. 51.84, right? We have 15 minutes left for this candle to close. 30 minute. Now the problem is 15 minute is closed, right? So what we Sorry guys, I had a call. So this trade is not working well. I'm going to close this one because it just came all the way down. I had a call, I had to rush. I couldn't see that. Okay. Nothing is happening. My idea was let me go through on the 15 time frame. Alright, I had this loss of, it closed on the 40 pips. My real stop loss was almost like 100. So let it be. Let's see JPY, GJ. No, the entry point was right. The entry point was right. See, let me show you. Let me break it down for you. The entry point was right. Now see it on the 15-minute time frame, right? So see, we had a clean range on the left hand side, and remember we were pretty much bullish on the 4 hour. We were bullish on the the daily, and we were bullish on the weekly, right? So also 1 hour time frame was pretty much bullish. We had to, now reason was I told you guys in this start that we need to wait for 1 hour to close bullish, so it can create a support, a valid support. On 30 minute it already closed bullish, right? This one. Now here what games is, you should enter after immediately after the candle closes. Like for example, if that closes, I would enter my trade on this point, put my stop loss here, which is reached out also, or you can say the liquidated, and put my basically are struggling to continue. Got a new unemployment. The unemployment is here. Uh, see the forecast and I think the actual is gonna be somewhere around 200 or 190 190k or something. The other guys can, bro. The other guys can hear me. I think yeah, everything is good. Everything is good at my end. So let's put it out. I'm still waiting for what I'm still waiting for is, let's say on this 15-minute. Okay, so this 15-minute should break down of this area, and then we can see that we have a cleaner range from the left hand side, even though on the 30-minute we got this. All right. We got this range almost like 100 pips. While let's look at GBJP, but that was an amazing trade, but that's too late. It broke. Let's see on the 15-minute. Yeah, it broke below this area. It was an impulse entry. You could have like secured like 40-50 pips, and currently in the profit of the 34 pips. Let's see. All right, so let's see what gold did. Damn, it just fallen down, man. Without respecting these levels, without respecting anything, just fall down. But it couldn't close below this area. It couldn't close this area. Volume is so damn high right now because it's London Open, and if we need to, let's say, enter a trade once it breaks down here, our stop loss would be 60 pip and our take profit would be 100 pip. Let's see how that goes. Let's see. Because of volume we can take, but it will be an impulse entry. But on, let's see, on the 30 minute is closed below this area, so I think this could be an entry point. Check it out. Check it out. If it comes right here, I'm not saying limit stop loss here. Recently moved, but see, there was a break. We were ranging a lot. No, since, let's see, we were ranging for 8 hours. We were ranging for 8 hours, and completely now we got the breakout. Now we got the breakout, and now if this candle, the current 30 minute, breaks its own low and the previous 30 minute candle's low, that I'm gonna take a trade. The limit is set, and we are about to. We are risking it on the gold today. Let's see if we can get something today. Yeah, my trade is active. I'm in. My stop loss is set. My take profit is right here, or it might continue pushing down and retest that range. But let's see how that goes. If you can do this, you can do this. You can do this. Damn. See, this is what I was talking about, the volume, man. The volume is crazy. The volume is so damn crazy. In just seconds, we just got this huge volume coming up. Let's see if we can hit the take profit on 1 hour time frame. We also had this, broke this sort of a valid trend for bullish momentums. The only problem we got is here. If we close below this next 10 minutes, somewhere around here, then definitely we're gonna hit our take profit. The only problem is this area, right? We are rejecting this area. So we got this only problem today. If we are closing below this somewhere around here, then definitely it's going to be moving up, down and hitting our take profit, but it couldn't. That will be my you can say that a last trade for the day, because earlier we have 40 pip. In the morning I secured like in my accounts I secured like the 40 pips. The move, let me show you. Let me show you. Yeah. In the morning, yeah, that was the trade. That was the trade. Yeah, right here. Right here, I had a sell. I had a short after breakout of this candle. I closed here, which was like 40 pips. I secured it. So currently I'm break even. Currently I'm break even. So that's not a problem for me. So I secured like 40, yeah, 40 pips somewhere around, yeah, here. So that was the morning trade. I entered after the break of this support area, and the market just fallen with volume, and I closed it. And again we got, no, that was the before the stream, before starting the stream. So currently this workout, and on 15 minute it's kind of an impulse entry. On 30 minute this is kind of the confirmation entry, because we closed below these areas, and right now we are moving down. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, we were 40 pips in profit. Now if we can do this, at least the 70 pips, I'm gonna close my position. Then I'm gonna close my position. Man, that volume was crazy. That volume was crazy and scary at the same time. That volume was so fucking scary at this time. Look how it just like just fallen down. Now we have just left 5 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close. If that candle closes bullish, I'm gonna close my entry. I'm gonna close my trade, because then it is shady to hold this. I am currently in the break even because I secured in the morning. I secured the profit in the morning, and right now, as I in this trade, if this, I don't want to risk more. I don't want to risk for myself more than I assume. Basically, my agenda for the trading is like, on the daily basis I go for 1 or 2 trades in a single day. Now because I had a winning trade in the morning earlier from the streaming, so I secured some profits, and we had the break even after we started the stream, and right now we are running in sort of a profit, and shady areas are still there. So currently, if the current 15-minute candle if closes bullish as a support, then I'm going to secure the risk. Or if it continues, I'm going to close it on the 70 pips, or we'll secure 50% or 70% somewhere around here, and then let the rest be running in the break even. Although this trade looks to me a very good trade, it might continue moving bearish because we have the volume. We have a good volume downside. We couldn't push up. Okay, we had a chance. We couldn't push up and go further more on the bullish side. And we had this chance. We could continue moving bullish, but the volume had some different plan, and we just broke this rhythm of the trend. After this rhythm, you can say the trend is just been broken. So validation for the shorts is active. All right. We have 3 minutes left for 15-minute candle to close. We got just 3 minutes left for 15-minute candle to close. Let's see. Keep in mind your risk. Always keep in mind your risk. That's good. That's good. That's good, brother. Securing profits are very good. See, I was break even. All right, I was break even. I took this trade, and now if this trade comes to at least 40 pips, 50 pips, I'm going to close half on 90%. Or what I'm going to do is, for the risk management, if this current 15-minute candle closed bullish, then definitely I'm going to close my position because I don't want to risk more on this trade. Yeah, we have just 2 minutes left for current 15-minute candle to close. Let's see how that goes. Now the problem is, what is stopping this the price to continue pushing bearish was this area on the left hand side, right? See this? Now that is choppy. That is a choppy area, but we have this clean range. So let's see if we have enough volume to continue moving down, okay, pushing down, then definitely it will. Definitely it will continue down. But if we could not and we have a rejection, this candle will close bullish and we will get out of the trade. Easy. Or if this candle closes just like this, not in profit, not in loss, and the next candle started making its own high and then continues bearish, I'm gonna hold this trade. I am gonna hold this trade then until now. See this move, like for example, this move was crazy, right? It happened in just seconds. I couldn't close half or something. That move was crazy. The 42 pips, I couldn't close half, or I couldn't secure some profits. Securing profits are very, very good habit. If you secure your profits, you are definitely a good trader. Now see, 15-minute have just closed and it's continuing, we're pushing down, and yeah, let's see. Now let's see 2 minutes after this candle. We have 30 pips in profit. If it can fill its previous candle's wick, and yet we haven't closed. Look this. Oh, this is scary. This is scary. I trade on the profit side. I go for like currently I have two prop firms of funding tip, 50k of funding tip, and also 50k of the Maven. I have those certificates right here. The trade is going well. I mean, yeah. Now see, what I'm gonna do is, as we are moving low on the volume, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna secure some position. I secured some positions here. All right. I closed 50%, and right now I'm in profit of 15 pips. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm going for the break even. Safe trade, right? Safe trade. Now completely we are in the profit. We have secured 50% of this trade, and right now we are in the break even. Now if it comes back, and if it came back and hit my break even, doesn't matter, and because I'm in profit. But if it continues pushing down, then definitely I'm gonna make some more money, extra money, right? So extra money is good. Yeah, brother, I secured some profits here. I secured 50%. Let me close, let me write it here. 50% secured and running in profit. All right. I hope that's clear. Amazing. See that fall? Amazing. We were at 70%. That was I was looking for. That was the level I was looking for to close my entire position. I'm done with this trade. I am done with this trade. 70 pips. For today, I am in 100 pip plus in profit. Yeah, 90 pips in the profit, because I had like the 20 pips from the previous trade. See, that bad rejection, that rejection was cruel. That rejection was not good. And that's it. We secured the profit. We secured the profits. And we are done for the day. We don't need more trades. We don't need more trades here. It's done. It is done. Amazing trade. Let's see GJ what's doing. GJ is still falling. It might come here. DJ can. Damn, look at this. Look at this shit. Now look at this shit. It just rejected all the way, hit it over take profit, and from where we have secured our take profit, where I was planning for, then it just came back up with so much of fucking volume. Right now it might just, be pushing up all the way till here. 5200, 5200 is gonna be the target, I guess, right now, because we don't have any the confirmations at the left hand side, and also we have secured our profits. We're not gonna push further for this trade. Now here we are done for the day. We are done for the day because we secured some good profit, right? Brother, the account will be traded after this stream if we get some good probabilities. Okay. Amazing. Thank God we just got out on the time. I was also looking at my accounts as well, so I had to close it very fast before it just rejected, and we secured 70%. We secured 70% in profits today. 70 pips, sorry. And yeah, this is how it all goes, man. This is how it all goes. Guys, this is what the benefit of sitting live and taking the trades, showing you the profits, showing you the losses, showing you the break evens, all that stuff live in front of you guys. No further the manipulations like the other influencers or something. Alright, so this is why live streams are very good for. Yeah, the SL hunting, look, the stop loss hunting, it could be, but see, if that candle closes bullish, then very probability is still there to continue moving bullish. All I'm looking at is this area, the 5180. 5180 is the area. If that closes up there above this area, then definitely it's going to be moving up, and it will be called like the fake out. When the fake out happens and the trend continues itself in a way, in a rhythm that was going before, like in the bullish mode. All right, anyways, we have secure the profits. Let me put it here if people don't get confused. All right, let's see how that goes. Still rejecting, see, and it might continue moving bearish again because a kind of the manipulation maybe. Anyways, we have done our target. Now let the market do whatever it needs to. We will not interfere or trade anymore in it or force it to be. Rather than we will stay calm and just watch and not to trade. While on GJ, it's just continuing down. On gold dollar index, the dollar index is also pretty much bearish basically, and we have rejections. All right, so basically let's see the US oil. Let's see the US oil, UTI. That is the crude oil, and I was pretty much bullish since, if you guys remember, if you guys have been just following me in my groups, I was pretty much bullish on the US oil, right? I'm still in this trade on weekly basis. Let's say my trade was somewhere around here. I took the trade. My take profit for the short term is here on weekly. My stop losses were right here, and we are in the profit right now. And I have some open trades yet. I'll share the screenshot of the current trades on the US oil. Just stay tuned in my the Telegram and my WhatsApp group if you are joined. If you're not, just join it right now, and I will keep you updated how I took this trade and where is my position and where I'm gonna reposition myself in this trade. All right. Guys, stay tuned in my Telegram. Basically, I'm gonna share a lot of things here. My actual TP on this trade is far away. Is far away. What I think is it's gonna hit all-time high. It's all-time high 121, which was on the 2021 was the all-time high of the crude oil, and due to the crisis, due to the war, and due to all that geopolitical issues, it can go up. All right, otherwise I have a short-term trade and my take profit is here for shorter term. For long-term investment, definitely I'm gonna hold it. Just like the gold did, it just flew. This motherfucker just flew without giving any reasons, without giving, due to the COVID, due to the wars, due to the geopolitical issues, Iran, Israel, Russia, Ukraine, that all stuff together, just pushed up. And since we were on 1800, it no, yeah, somewhere around here. Since we were here on gold, 2021, 2020, 2019, we were somewhere around 1800, 1700. I predicted the gold before that, when we were here, I predicted it. It will go almost like uh, the 3000. It will hit the 3000, right? Once we smashed that 3000, first time was on, yeah, the December 2024. We hit the 3000, and definitely we after that continued moving bullish, even because we had the Ukraine and Russia thing was going on after COVID, right? Amazing. Period. It's all about the time. It's all about the time. Now the daily can continue pushing up. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. See? Look, guys. Now, the problem is we couldn't close above this area, okay? And we cannot take the trade randomly. But I'm not gonna trade. But this is gonna be the inside only. This is going to be the inside only that we could anticipate the trade. All right, so if we can reject, make a wick down here and push it up and break the high of the previous 30-minute candle, then it might be the continuation. But we don't have enough range here. That's the only problem. We don't have enough range. On the 15-minute, it can be a considerable. The reason why I say the considerable, because we have engulfed the previous bearish candle, right? And it can just turn out to be bullish. But let's see. Now if the current 15-minute closed bearish below this area, then definitely this is not a valid trade for the buy. Either even it's gonna be a sell trade after the next candle breaks its low and then continue moving bearish till here. 5162. That could be a very good trade. We have just 7 minutes left to end this stream. I would suggest, guys, like this stream, support, subscribe, share, so we can grow faster and we can definitely make the history in the future. In next 1 or 2 years, we're gonna make history. So whoever stick with me from the day one will be together on the top. I'm gonna mark this stream as, for future, that we're gonna look back on this stream on the live stream again in the future, and we will see how we were talking about the future. All right, so keep supporting, guys, keep supporting, and we will keep improving. We will be improving together. Yeah, we have 9 minutes left, 10 minutes left for the current 15-minute candle to close, basically. And I think if the current 15-minute candle couldn't close above and break the high of its own and the previous 15-minute candle, then definitely it's going to be moving bearish. Then this support is invalid, which currently is actually it's holding this area. It's holding 5180, which is a very strong resistance. It's a breakout and retraced it, and then it will continue pushing up. Sorry, the down. Even on 30 minutes, it's invalid buys yet, and because we are down and below this 5180, this is a strong whole number. And gold often, I have seen that gold often respect the whole numbers. Don't worry, brother, the basics will be cleared, inshallah, for just every single day, day by day, we will learn together, we will grow together, and somehow we will be successful together. That's my plan. From guys who are with me from the day one, definitely gonna be with me on the top, and I respect that. I respect you guys for supporting and everything else. All right. Let's take a look on GU. GU has the same fall. Is anything going around the Brexit? Let me see the news. Brexit. Let's go on news. See if anything breaking happened. Better Europe not against the prices better memories. Now that's sure. Okay. Chancellor says, no, that is the old one. Damn, the US dollar is stronger on pound. Currently, US dollar is very, very stronger on pound, which could be a reason that Patel is doing something. Some things are going on. They are talking about the reserves and their minerals and everything and all that shit. Brother, I am from Islamabad. I am from Islamabad. Yeah. If you gonna visit me, you are most welcome. All right, guys. So I'm gonna head off. I'm gonna head off for the day, as we have hit our take profit on gold. All right, we have secured like 70 pips. We took the profit, and as we took the profit, the price immediately rejected itself and came back up. So that was a very good trade, and hopefully tomorrow we're gonna do the same. Or tomorrow, I was thinking that tomorrow is Friday, and I might not be able to do a stream in pre-London. So if I was available, if I will be available, then definitely we're gonna stream at the pre-New York. But that's kind of hard. It's gonna be hard, and if we couldn't make it tomorrow on the Friday, then definitely you should wait for the Monday, and on the Monday we will do fresh start, and we will get together on the live markets, and we'll generate some income and the profits. Have a good one, guys. Take care.